Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a must-have solution for our furry friends: the Warren London Deep Cleaning Paw Soak.
If you've got a pup with itchy, irritated paws, this could be the game changer you've been searching for. Now, before we delve into the details, let me make one thing clear. If you've got a dog dealing with the discomfort of paw licking, you need to pay attention. Warren London's Deep Cleaning Paw Soak isn't just any ordinary remedy. It's a powerhouse packed with natural ingredients specifically designed to provide relief and comfort.
Let's talk ingredients. This innovative formula includes seaweed, tea tree oil, and aloe vera, three powerhouse components renowned for their soothing properties. Together, they work to combat irritation, redness, and itching, providing your furry companion with the relief they deserve. Using the Warren London Deep Cleaning Paw Soak is a breeze. Simply drop a tablet into water, watch it fizz, and then soak your dog's paws for just 5 minutes. It's like giving your pup a spa day at home. With rave reviews like these, it's clear that Warren London's Deep Cleaning Paw Soak is the best allergy medicine for dogs licking paws available on the market. So, if you're tired of watching your furry friend suffer from paw irritation, it's time to take action. Say goodbye to constant licking and hello to happy, healthy paws with Warren London's Deep Cleaning Paw Soak. Trust me, your pup will thank you. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy pampering to you and your furry companions.